So here we have the Lenski magnetic pickup tool with powerful 3-bulb LED light. This is fully extendable to 22.5 inches from the compact size of 6.8 inches. It's got a flexible telescoping neck, its rotatable metal head with a powerful magnet at the tip where the 3 super bright LED bulbs shine bright from. Also has a pen holder, this way you can carry in your pocket, and a powerful base magnet, this way you could set it firmly and work hands-free on any metal surface. The usefulness of this extended pickup ranges across a wide array of uses, and you can always find what you need and reach it with this tool. Made of military grade aluminum alloy, which is water resistant. This is a well constructed cool gadget for the DIY or handyman in your life. Makes a great stocking stuffer gift, and comes with 4 spare batteries to meet your needs. Don't hesitate to pick one up.